convex lenses.
How does the resolution of a microscope affect the clarity of the image? Number 1. Definition of resolution. Resolution refers to the minimum distance between 2 points that can still be seen as separate. Higher resolution means you can distinguish finer detail in the specimen. Number 2. Impact on clarity. As the resolution increases, the image becomes sharper and clearer. If the resolution is low, detail may blur together, making it hard to see distinct features. Number 3. Numerical aperture. The resolution is also linked to the numerical aperture of the objective lens. A higher numerical aperture allows for better light gathering and improved resolution, leading to clearer images.
Here's a sample breakdown of how microscopes work. Magnification. Microscopes use lenses to enlarge the image of small objects. A simple microscope has one lens, like a magnifying glass, while a compound microscope has multiple lenses that work together to create a much larger image. 2. Light focus. The lenses bend light to focus it on the specimen. This helps in making the details clearer. The quality of the image depends on how well the light is focused and the resolution of the lenses. 3. Resolution and contrast. The resolution is about how clear the image is, which improves with shorter wavelengths of light. Contrast helps in distinguishing different parts of the lenses.